Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And today's topic is about understanding the concept of self-join with an unique example. If you are new to the concept of joins, please have a look at one of my video wherein I discuss about joins in lot of detail, and link for the same I will give in the description below. To understand this, we need to look into this particular data set which I am calling as transactions. And in here we have two variables. The first variable is t underscore date and the second variable is amount. T underscore date is a numeric variable and what it really constitutes is a transaction date. And amount is the amount which has been deposited or taken out. Now the goal is to find records on a particular day where the same amount was deposited and taken out. Now we can understand this by looking into first three observations in which our t underscore date is 3rd November 2023. So when it is 3 November 2023, if you look into first and the third record, we have same amount but one amount is deposited, so it is positive. Another amount is taken out, it is negative. And similar scenarios exist for t underscore date of 06 November 2023 and 13 November 2023. Now, if you want to solve this kind of problem with the help of proc SQL, it is little difficult. The reason being, there is no way in proc SQL I can compare one observation with another observation very easily. I mean, row by row processing is very difficult in proc SQL and it is not designed so. So what we really have to do is we have to do something like a self join. A self join is nothing more than we are using the same data set and we are using that as two data sets and then we are doing a join. Now let us go a little bit deeper by looking into the same example in here. In here what I have done is I have taken this transactions data set and I have called this as A and B. The same data set I have used at two places. Now to solve our problem, I can do something like this. I'm using the same tables in both the sides of inner join and then one of them I'm aliasing as A, another one I'm aliasing as B. And the same representation I'm showing you in here. And what are the other things we are really interested in here? We are also interested in dates, that is on A.date equal to B.date. Means when I am comparing this one to this one, I want to match the dates also. And what is another thing we need to match on? Another thing to match on is A.amount equal to minus B.amount. Because in the very first explanation, I have said that we want records on a particular day where the same amount was deposited and taken out. Means we want on the same day one positive value and one negative value. Now I want to explain you how this code works and solves our problem. Now what I have also done is I have given a space between each particular day. Now let us start with 03 November 2023. Now here I have two data sets, that is same data set we are representing here as A and B. So what happens is first 03 November 2023 is compared to 03 2023 in B data set. So we have 03 2023 in three observations in here. So the comparison happens in the following way. Is 9400 equal to minus 9400? Because we have here and A.amount equal to minus B.amount. So they are not equal, so nothing happens in here. And then here we have 03 November 2023 and the value is 300. So 9400 is not equal to minus 300. So that is not comparable. And in here we have 9400 equal to minus 9400. So what happens in here is 9400 is equal to minus, because we have minus in here, of minus 9400. So this becomes 9400 because minus into minus is plus. So both of these values after adding minus becomes same. So this observation is selected. As in the code, I have also written select a dot star. Now I can pick from here and paste it in here as our result. Now if we look into the next observation, 300 is not comparable to either this row or this row, and it is also not compared to this row because we are saying minus. So 300 equal to minus 300 is also not true. And when I come back to minus 9400, if I paste it in here and then I do equal to, and the very first value 9400 is there in the B, and if I put minus in front of it, it becomes a 9400. In this fashion, what is happening is we are comparing the dates. Date should be same. Amount should be equal to another amount with the B data set, but after adding minus. So after adding minus, they should become same. In this way, this observation matched and also this observation matched. So we have both of these observations as our result. Same goes for 06 November 2023 and for 13 and 17 November. Here, if you look into 06 November 2023, we have 500, it matches with minus 500, 400 matches with minus 400, minus 500 matches with 500, minus 400 matches with 400. In this fashion, we are picking up these four observations. So we have designed things in such a way that we are able to pick observations or records on a particular day where the same amount was deposited and taken out. Now we have discussed the theory in a lot detail. Now let us run the code which we have discussed in here and see our results and whether the results match as we have expected. And once I run this code, you can see that the results are exactly in tune with what we have expected. For any given day, if we take in here, we have a positive and negative value for that particular day. Now let us go back and then let's sum it up. By simply using the same table two times in our join, we were able to solve our problem. It is just called self join because we are using that same table and we are joining the same table to same table. That is why we call this as self join. And this self join we can use in inner join, left join, right join, full join. That's all for this topic. If you like this topic, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.